Thank you for joining Investing with All I See Is W. Thumbs up. Today I wanted to make this video to share with you my input on IBIO and why it is such a great buying opportunity right now for you. Okay, I feel like if you don't purchase this company, you may lose opportunity on a run. And what we all know is we're here to make money, right? We're trying to locate the best buying opportunity so that we all can capitalize on proceeds. Alright, so let's get started. So, why do I like IBIO so much? Okay, just recently, in the prior week, IBIO has been on such a great run. I mean, about a few months ago, the stock price was hovering at about $1. It was struggling, and it went up to like $2. But now, don't you notice that the new resistance that it previously reached was around $7? And now the current price with the support level, it's being established at around $5 to $6 with continuous support hovering at around $5. So I foresee, a resistance that can be beyond the $7. And if it does go beyond the $7 resistance, hey, it may break out to the $10 range sooner rather than later. I foresee by 3 months it will go above double digits. And in terms of the growth, I feel like over time, this company will continue to grow with its employee size. I mean, just recently, the current employee size was around 55, but when you look at their job postings, you'll see so many different positions open. So the fact that the company is growing and the fact that the company has partnerships with like Texas A&M with such a huge facility, then there's the capability in terms of resource and capabilities for Tom Essett to drive his vision for the company, the direction to be able to produce 500 million vaccines by the approval of their product. And one thing I wanted to note is it's not just about the two pre-approved vaccines that IBIO is currently working on. For example, the IBIO 200 and the IBIO 201. The unique thing about this company is being able to partner up with other already produced vaccines so that IBIO can support with the contract manufacturing of different vaccines. So the fact that IBIO has 2 vaccines being researched at this time, they also have a strategy in place to be able to scale up manufacturing for other companies. So that's why they're called contract manufacturer. So that's another important reason why you shouldn't neglect this company. Now, in terms of the innovation, I feel like the innovation is there, right? I mean, the studies are being studied at Texas A&M, and we know that that school is credible in that it delivers, really great scientists and healthcare professionals. And the fact that you have, the top professors studying, in partnership with IBIO Pharma on IBIO 200 and 201, I have firm belief that this will be a quality vaccine. And the fact that, I'm just so into plantations and fruit, I love eating all of that stuff. I will fully support, a vaccine company that is derived from plant-based usage. Okay? And now let's talk about the finances of IBIO. Okay? When you look at the finances in terms of the balance sheet, financial statements, you see, that, they're eating up a lot of their funding, right? I mean, every quarter they're losing money quarter over quarter. However, that does not say that they will not be able to come out with these products in the play, because with the demand change with COVID-19 impacting mankind at this time, money isn't really an issue. How I see it is if you have a quality vaccine product that you can deliver to the globe, then you will get buy-in from the government and you will get that support. So let's not think that, okay, the fact that your balance sheet looks not so great, you're not going to perform. Look at how much the stock price has jumped the past few weeks. It's just been skyrocketing. But I feel like the fact that the support levels aren't going down too low, down to let's say $3 or $4, then that's the new maturation support level for IBIO. So my recommendation to you is making a consideration for investing into IBIO. But first, do your own research, do your studies, and find out when is the appropriate time. But for me, I'm satisfied with my purchase price, and I'm going to keep my quantity of shares in the long run until I see what I like to see, and that means hitting the price target that I already set the target for, and that's $30. That's my price target, and I will then observe, assess, and then re-observe to see what am I planning on doing. Do I plan on selling half at 30 and keeping the rest up to 50, or am I planning on selling everything at 30, or based on the momentum, am I going to even sell at 30, or just let it continue to go up and possibly set a limit beyond the $30 run? Okay, so those are some key aspects that I wanted to share with you. But overall, the company is in a momentum run at this time, and it will continue to do so because over time you will start seeing, the introduction into phase 1 clinical trials, where IBIO will then have to elect 40 healthy patients to get the IBIO 200, hopefully the 201 IBIO as well, injected, so that the phase 1 can begin. And let's wait for the data to see whether it's a safe and effective product. But currently, I'd say it's a great buying opportunity because the single digits is only going to last for X amount of months until we no longer see that opportunity anymore. So think about it. If you buy for cheap, you'll get it for steep later when you sell, meaning you'll get positive proceeds. So I hope that helps all of you. Let's say if you're a day trader, you can buy in now and then set like an extra dollar and then capitalize on that. Or if you're a long-term investor, try to think about what's your target. Where will you be satisfied? I already have my satisfaction level, so I'm curious to hear what's your price target. What do you think about the company? What's the risk implication at this time, and what makes you want to invest in IBIO? Okay, I'd love to hear from you. If you find this video valuable, please do consider hitting the like and consider joining my channel by subscribing. I would love to build on my fan base and be able to provide more input to you all, because my slogan is all I see is W, and I really want all of us to win, okay, because that's the goal. We all want to be financially independent and happy in life, okay? I hope that helps, and thank you for watching Investing with All I See Is W. Thumbs up.